In today's video, I'm going to teach you any iPhone how to fix cannot connect App Store problem. If the App Store says it can't connect, it's usually due to a stuck network cache, a minor software hiccup, or a settings mismatch. We will start with the quickest fixes and work our way up. After any step, if the App Store opens, you can stop there. Begin by refreshing all connections with airplane mode. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. If your iPhone has a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Tap the airplane icon. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds so your device fully drops its signals. Then tap it again to turn everything back on. Give Wi-Fi or cellular a moment to reconnect. Then try the App Store next. Perform a force restart to clear frozen cache files a normal shutdown can miss. Press and quickly release volume up. Then press and quickly release volume down. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding as the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Then let go. This doesn't erase your data, it simply reloads iOS services. Once you are back on the home screen, wait a few seconds for background connections to re-establish and test the App Store again. Now confirm your date and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If you recently traveled or changed time zones, an incorrect clock can block secure connections that the App Store depends on. If the issue persists, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset. iPhone, Reset. Then reset network settings. Enter your device passcode to confirm. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords and may remove VPN or custom network profiles. So plan to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. When the phone restarts, join a stable network and try the App Store once more. If that still doesn't do it, refresh your Apple ID session. Open Settings, tap your name, choose Sign Out, and complete the sign out. Restart your iPhone, then return to Settings and sign back in with your Apple ID. This re-authenticates your device with Apple's services and often resolves stubborn connection errors. Finally, check Apple's servers. Open Safari, search for Apple System Status, and go to the official page. Expand the list of services and look for App Store. A green indicator means it's operational. If you see red or yellow, Apple is experiencing an outage, and all you need to do is wait for their automatic fix. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back to downloading apps without a hitch. Thanks for watching.